And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Good morning. It was another warm day out there yesterday with those temperatures above average in the upper 80s. We hit 91 degrees in Joplin, 88 degrees in Springfield, and 86 degrees in Branson. Our average is 84 degrees, so we were much above average for this time of year. And it's been a pretty warm start to June. Of our first 15 days in the month, 13 days have been above average. The month is running nearly 4 degrees warm, and that's a change from the last couple of months because we've been in a wet pattern. And so temperatures have been on the cool side. So we're starting out with more sunshine and warm weather for this June. We're looking at some sunshine out there this morning, just a few clouds. It's 69 degrees in Springfield with some southerly winds at 16 miles per hour. It's 63 degrees in West Plains, 66 degrees in Branson, and 64 degrees in Camden. Now we have much drier air coming in from the east, and it's shoving the more humid air to the west. So we're starting out pretty crisp in Rolla and Fort Leonard Wood and Mountain Grove and West Plains. Right here, where your dew points are in the 50s, you're feeling pretty good out there this morning. But in Springfield and then areas back to the west and to the southwest, dew points in the 60s tell us it's a little bit sticky out there this morning. So a range on the muggy meter. Again, some of us to the east are comfortable, but then most of us from Springfield into the west are a little bit more sticky, and that's really going to come into play when we talk about storm chances for today. We still have that front draped from north to south, cutting across the Ozarks, but you could see on the muggy meter you've got that much drier, more comfortable air in the eastern Ozarks, and then things are sticky from Springfield and then areas back to the west. And this again will be the focus for those storm chances out there today, because the humidity will continue to pool over to the west with that more comfortable air coming in from the east. So you're going to wind up being drier and cooler to the east, hotter, more humid, with maybe a storm or two to the west, where that humidity is going to pool up. So hour by hour, you can see those isolated storms possible to the west, where you're looking at highs closer to 90, a little bit more humid, much cooler with those temperatures around 80 degrees over to the east. Overnight, pretty warm, maybe a little bit muggy, temperatures in the low to middle 60s. And then by tomorrow, much of the same. We'll have an isolated storm possibly focused to the west, with those temperatures in the middle and upper 80s. We still have this kind of stall pattern with that high pressure nosing its way to the north, keeping the main storm track to the north, and we've got a big storm to the east. So that's pretty much running everything around us instead of through us, which is why we have really minimal storm chances. That will stay the case through about Friday. Then as we head into the weekend, our front comes through and we're looking at healthier chances for some showers and storms. So mostly sunny, warm and humid, highs at near 90 with an isolated storm possible. Most of us are dry. We're pretty summery through about Friday, and then we'll find those storms break down that dry pattern by Saturday. Temperatures much warmer by the end of the week, getting into the lower 90s, and then we'll have those temperatures above average, which is 84 degrees. 86 degrees today, mostly sunny, warm, and humid. 62 degrees overnight tonight, warm and a little bit muggy. 87 degrees tomorrow. An isolated storm is possible. Will be warm and humid again. Lots of sunshine out there through Friday. Highs getting into the lower 90s. Storm chances become healthier this weekend.